Welcome to the Museum of Texas Tech University's STEAM To Go kit. This kit focuses on science, technology, engineering, arts, and math-themed activities. Our first activity is Build a Volcano. The included supplies for this are 2 packages of Crayola Model Magic, 2 film canisters, 1 white filled with vinegar, and 1 black filled with baking soda, 1 paper plate, 1 pre-filled paint pot set, and 2 different size paint brushes. Place the black film canister filled with baking soda in the center of the paper plate, keeping the canister closed. Using the 2 packages of Model Magic, create a volcano mountain shape around the black film canister. As you build the volcano, leave the lid on the film canister to protect the baking soda. Make sure that the Model Magic does not cover the sides of the lid. This will prevent the lid from being able to open once it dries. Let it dry overnight. Once the volcano is dry, use the paint and paint brushes to provide and add color to your volcano. Let this dry for a few hours until it hardens. Once the paint has dried fully, remove the cap from the black film canister. Then slowly pour the vinegar from the white film canister into the baking soda that is contained in the black film canister. Watch the eruption. Our next activity is a rubber band helicopter. The included supplies for this activity are 1 craft stick, 1 propeller, 2 rubber bands, 1 roll of tape, 1 paper clip, and 1 helicopter cutout. The only supplies needed are scissors. The activity steps. Add the propeller to the top of the craft stick. Bend the paper clip open halfway and securely tape the larger end to the bottom of the craft stick, creating an L shape with the bent paper clip. Cut out the helicopter shape and tape it horizontally onto the craft stick below the propeller. Wrap one end of the rubber band around the open end of the paper clip and attach the other end to the hook attached to the propeller. To make the helicopter fly, face the propeller up and away from you and turn it clockwise until the rubber band becomes very difficult to wind, about 50 to 80 rotations. Hold the propeller with one hand and pinch the bottom of the craft stick and release. Glowing circuit. The supplies included for this activity are 1 piece of 8.5 by 11 inch black cardstock, copper tape, 1 coin cell battery, 1 LED mini bulb, 1 roll of tape. The only supplies needed are a pencil. Activity steps. Place cardstock in front of you with the 11-inch sides running north and south and the 8.5-inch sides running east and west. Fold the cardstock in half from 11-inched in to 11-inched in. Fold over the bottom right back corner of the paper and using a pencil, trace the battery on both sides of the fold. Draw a positive sign on the circle on the folded corner and a negative sign on the other circle. This will allow you to know which side of the battery needs to touch each circle. Create 2 lines of copper tape, one starting on the positive circle of the folded corner and adding another small piece at the end of the first piece to create an L shape. This is your positive end of your circuit. Leave about a 1/2-inch gap between the shorter copper line you just laid down and another shorter piece parallel towards the fold of the paper. Then lay down a longer piece that touches the end of the short piece, creating another L shape. Finally, add another strip of the copper tape down to the end of the piece that you just laid down and make sure this end is in the negative circle. Depending on the size of the piece of tape, this could be in an L shape or laid in a diagonal line. Attaching the LED. Notice the LED has 2 metal pieces, known as the LED's legs, attached to the end of the light that are not the same length. The longer one is the positive side of the LED and the shorter leg is the negative side. Tape down the LED with the legs touching on the copper. Connect the positive side of the battery to the positive leg of the LED and connect the negative side of the battery to the negative leg of the LED. Place the negative side of the battery on the negative circuit circle. Fold the corner to see the LED light up. If it doesn't light up, try flipping the battery to make sure the positive side of the battery connects to the positive leg of the LED. Grow a crystal. Before starting, please read the included instruction guide for full safety instructions and first aid information. This pre-made kit includes a plastic container, a seed crystal, crystal powder, and a stir stick. The only supplies needed is 230 milliliters of boiling water. Activity steps. Fill the plastic container with boiling water to reach the marked line of 230 milliliters. Use a Sharpie or other dark marker to help identify the line easier if needed. Add the crystal powder and stir well until mixed. Wait for the solution to cool down, about 20 to 30 minutes, then add the seed crystal to the bottom of the container. Make sure the flat surface of the seed crystal is sitting flat on the bottom of the plastic container. Leave crystal uncovered for the first 48 hours and leave undisturbed in a dust-free room at room temperature. The longer you leave the crystal in submerged liquid, the larger the crystals will grow. When the crystals are large enough, pour the liquid out of the container and rinse shortly with water. Take the crystal out of the plastic container and dry on a suitable surface, for example, paper towels. Wash hands after handling the crystal. Decorate a rocket. The included supplies for this activity are 1 wooden rocket in 2 pieces and 3 space-themed suckers. The only supplies needed are markers, paint, stickers, or any decorating material you already have. Put your 2 rocket pieces together and decorate using any materials you have.